If you suffer with any chronic health problem like migraine, vertigo, Meniere's disease, tinnitus, brain fog, this is a 3D scan of the upper cervical spine, which allows the upper cervical chiropractor to see how structure is misaligned. Then a heat reading is taken to establish a neurological pattern of what the patient looks like when they're carrying irritation on the brainstem. The 3D imaging allows the upper cervical chiropractor to then make a precise correction in the upper neck, which is unique to that patient's anatomy, whose goal is to restore normal biomechanical function to allow the central nervous system to function better so you can heal, mend, and repair. Come see us in our Neckwise Salt Lake office for a free consultation.